Hey everyone, it's Faya from Persian Walk, and today I want to speak about one of the most complicated issue when travelers come to Iran they are facing. And it's about Iranian currency and notes. First, when they want to travel to Iran, they should bring with themselves a load of cash because Iran is not connected to international bank system due to many sanctions against Iran. Second, when they want to exchange money, again, you face problem because when you search on Google about the official rate, you couldn't find it easily. You see the governmental rate that is completely different. Just in commerce we use it, but normal people dealing with another official rate that is a bit hard to find it. And when you want to exchange money, unfortunately, many exchange shops, they don't give you cash. You can check the rate of Iranian Rial on bombas.com. Just normally when you want to exchange your dollar or euro, dealers give you less than that official rate because you need cash, and when they want to pay you in cash, the rate is a bit lower than the official rate. As you know, the rate of exchange shops at the airport, like everywhere in the world, is so low. And also in hotel, I don't recommend to exchange your dollar or euro in your hotel. You can have this kind of debit card, and you can easily by PayPal transfer money to our company, and then we order a card for you. Having one of these debit card, Iranian debit card, makes your journey very easy and comfortable. You don't need to carry loads of cash with yourself, and you can use it even in rural area. In every shop you can use this Iranian bank card. And also there are POS machine everywhere. I want to teach you on how you can recognize different notes, Iranian notes, since we use two different currency. Rial is the official one that when we want to transfer money, we use it, or when you are in a restaurant, on the menu you can see, or sometimes on the tag price you can see the price in Rial. But normal people, in our everyday life, we use Toman, that 10 has less. Now I want to teach you some facts about Iranian notes. This note is 1 million Rials, you see, and it has 60. But we say 100,000 Toman, 10 less. And when we want to actually buy something, we call it 100. And I want to show you another Iranian note. It's 500,000 Rial, that we call it 50,000 Toman. And this note is 100,000 Rial, that we call it 10,000 Toman. Sorry, you know, it's a bit confusing even for Iranian. I have two Iranian notes in my hand. One is 500,000 Rial and another one is 100,000 Rial. Together 600,000 Rial or 60,000 Toman. That normally we omit 1,000 and we call it 60. And with 60 you can buy a cup of tea plus a cake. That is equivalent of $1 now in May of 2024. So it depends in which place you are, and sometimes 18 means 18,000 Toman, sometimes 18 means 18 million Toman. That you can recognize it very well. Imagine you are in a carpet shop and you ask the seller about the price of a carpet. The seller can say this piece of carpet costs 18. And 18 here means 18 million Toman, that he omits million here. So it depends in which place you are, and sometimes 18 means 18,000 Toman, sometimes 18 means 18 million Toman. That you can recognize it very well. You can again seek professional advice from Persian Walk, and we will tell you where you can exchange with the best and highest rate. And another advice for you, if you want to travel to Iran, stay tuned. We have many useful videos about traveling in Iran for you.